Hi everyone, welcome to day 20. Today we are looking at the 3 key ways that you are able to add an item to your schedules. So let's get started. So as always, make sure you are starting the time tracking. Now we're going to look at the 3 ways that you can add an item to a client's schedule. So if you navigate to the project list and then to one of your projects and then into design administration, you'll come to this screen which shows you your schedules. So the first 2 ways to add items to the schedule is within the schedule. So if you click into a schedule, so the first way is kind of what we looked at yesterday, where you have loaded an area template and you need to swap out the placeholder item for the real item. To do that, it's a matter of just clicking on the 3 blue dots and clicking on swap and then selecting the item that you want to add. Now, if that item doesn't already exist in your supplier library, it's simply a matter of adding new supplier item, and you will get the screen that is the same screen as when you add it from the supplier library, and you can add the item and go from there. Once you add the item, you're able to allocate codes and pricing. And we'll go into the details of the line item in the next couple of days. So that's one way of adding items to the schedule through an area template. The second way is when you are just adding in an item. So I'm going to just say Master Ensuite for our area name and then click on Schedule Item. And similar to when you are swapping out a line item, if the item already exists in your supplier library, then it's just a matter of typing in the kind of keyword, select it, and then put in the details to add it in. Once again, with that one, if you are creating a schedule item and it's not already in your supplier library, then it's just a matter of clicking on Add New Supplier and you get all that information there. Now, the third way that you can add an item to the schedule is through the supplier library. So if you navigate back to the supplier library and click on the supplier, you will see here that you get the Add to Schedule button. So just say we want to select an item and we're doing a bathroom that's got gunmetal grey finishes, and we've got several items that we've used here before for another project that we're adding in. We can simply go through and just press Add to Schedule. You get a drop down, select the project, then you select the schedule, and then you select the area that it goes into, and then you add to schedule. Now, if we go back to that project, and in Design Admin, you'll see that the item that we added from the supplier section has come in. We will just need to go in and add in the code and the pricing information. So that is the 3 ways that you're able to add items to your schedules. I would love for you to have a go at entering in some items and having a play with loading an area template and swapping a line item over, and then also adding an item through the Create Schedule Item button, and then also through the supplier library. See you tomorrow, guys.